Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use three or multiple WhatsApp accounts in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use multiple accounts in your WhatsApp on iPhones, let's see how can you do that. So basically in your iPhone, the WhatsApp doesn't any option to use multiple accounts, but you can still do this. So the very first, you just need to install some apps. So you have to open your app store and to go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp business. So once you have searched for WhatsApp business, you can easily install it from your app store here. So once you have installed, you can use this app to use your second account. So you can see I have already using this app without any issue. So in this way you can use two accounts, but if you want to use three or multiple accounts, open your app store again, go for search here. You can use the app called dual apps. Let's say I'm gonna search for this. And once you have searched, you'll get a lot of apps. You just have to select any app from here. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. So once I have searched, just tap on this get option here. So after installation, you'll be able to make dual apps. So for example, if you're using single WhatsApp app, using this app you can use, or you can get double WhatsApp apps in your phone, or you can also double your WhatsApp business. So in this way you can use four WhatsApp accounts in your single iPhone. So in this way you can easily use multiple accounts in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.